G'day all, Kev from buildmyhobby.guru. Just finished building my Neato Dallas 220. Going to take it for its maiden voyage on the next day that isn't blowing a gale. But just thought I'd do a quick video just to show this USB adapter that I found very useful. I used it on my breakneck before I lost it. It allows the flight controller to be turned to give a rear access to the USB, and this device is just a Keyring USB adapter. Cost about $3 off eBay. And you just need the correct lead, so female to female USB lead, and just plugs in and saves you having to pull the whole thing apart to get access to your flight controller USB port. Alright, other than that, you can see I've added a Naze GPS module to this one. Not really using this one as a racer, just for freestyling and to get used to using iNav, and going to muck around with waypoints and bit of autonomous flying as well, just so I can get used to the software and get my head around it all. Yeah, so I'll keep you informed with a future video once I get the drone out there for a bit of a flight. Alright, any questions, just ask it at the bottom. Anyway, don't forget to visit buildmyhobby.guru for any of your hobby needs. Thanks a lot.